Imagine the classic comfort of mashed potatoes combined with the rich, savory flavors of spaghetti carbonara. That's exactly what you get with these indulgent carbonara mashed potatoes. Carbonara, traditionally an Italian pasta dish, is known for its creamy sauce made with eggs, cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. This recipe ingeniously incorporates these elements into a potato dish, creating a unique and delicious side that's perfect for special occasions. The star ingredients of this dish are Yukon gold potatoes, pancetta, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, and eggs. The Yukon Golds provide a naturally buttery flavor and creamy texture, while the pancetta adds a salty, crispy element. Parmesan cheese brings its signature nutty taste, and the combination of cream and eggs creates that luxurious carbonara-style richness. To make this dish, you'll start by boiling the potatoes until they're fork tender. While they're cooking, crisp up the pancetta in a skillet until it's golden brown. Once the potatoes are done, you'll mash them with butter, cream, Parmesan, and seasonings until they're silky smooth. Then comes the carbonara twist. Whisked eggs and egg yolks are stirred into the warm potatoes, creating a velvety texture. But what really sets this dish apart is its presentation. Instead of simply spreading the mashed potatoes in a baking dish, you'll pipe them into beautiful swirls using a star-tipped piping bag. This extra step elevates the dish from everyday to extraordinary, making it a true showstopper on your dinner table. The final touch is a sprinkle of crispy pancetta on top before the dish is baked until golden brown. As it comes out of the oven, a few pieces of butter are scattered over the top, melting into the crispy golden peaks of potato. These carbonara mashed potatoes are more than just a side dish. They're a celebration of flavor and texture. Rich, creamy, and full of savory goodness, they're sure to become the talk of any meal. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner or simply want to elevate your weeknight menu, this recipe is a delicious way to bring the essence of Italian cuisine to your potato dish.